Hi guys, in front of me is Realme GT 60 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message, then click on Start Chat and we need this panel to switch keyboard language. So now just mark Settings icon, go to Languages, mark plus, select the language that you want to use, so you can either scroll all the way down till you find it or just mark Search button and provide it here. Tap on Done, and that's it. Now you've got two languages active, and you can switch them smoothly by tapping on word icon. And if you want to have one language only, just enter settings again and remove unnecessary language. Then this word icon is no longer here. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.